Thanks for welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart or the monthly chart of a MANDIANT INC. If you're looking at this particular stock, this stock is overall a range bound for the last couple of years, but the most important thing which you need to understand, and if you observe this chart carefully, even in the range it is trading towards the higher end of the range. So this is giving us the confidence that probably a swing or a swift change in the trend will happen eventually and the stock will again started moving higher. So let us discuss about the stock forecast or stock analysis of MANDIANT INC. MANDIANT INC, MANDIANT. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Primarily this is the level or this is the range which we have here. So let us just look at the range first. It will give us a sense about how the stock has been moving. So if you're looking at the range, so this is what we have here and this is how the stock is moving. So as you can see, the stock is trading on the higher end of the range, so at least above the middle part. So what we have here on the downside are 11.3 and 10.54 on the downside. On the upside you have at 20.88. Okay, so this is the range in between which the stock has been trading for the last 6 years, and the stock is currently holding above $14.3. Now a big task or big Herculean task, it is actually not at all a task, but some people keeps on curiously thinking about how the stock is going to change, or more specifically when the stock is going to change its trend. So it's a big task, but when the stock continues to move in between a range for more than 3 or 5 years, there is no point discussing about that. Let us just wait and see how the stock is going to move and when the stock is going to make its move by itself. Whenever the stock started moving above 20.88 or $21, we can consider that as a breakout and the big level will open up for us. So in this case, if the stock does not fall below 14.13, these are the conditions which you need to understand or look at. If the stock continues to sustain above 14.13, otherwise the next big support or stop loss you have here is $10.5. So if the stock continues to sustain above 14.13, the next target we have here is 20.88 or $21 on the upside. If the stock moves beyond $21 and sustains above it this time, because it has already tried in 2020 December, but in 2022 if the stock sustains above $21, then it will be considered as a breakout, and in that case, let me tell you, some big levels will open up for you. So primarily the target that we are going to look at beyond $21 is going to be $30, which is going to be your immediate target. But that is not the end of the story, because it will be considered as a 6-year breakout. So after $30, the next target we have here is 41.62, then we have 57.44, and as far as the target is concerned, the big target, or as far as the chart is concerned, so the big level we have here was the high that the stock has tested in the year 2014, and it was $98. So these are all the levels that will open up for you if only the stock will sustain above $21. But do not try to time the stock. Let the stock play its move. We need not to even bother about how it's going to move, how much time it's going to take. We simply focus on when the breakout is happening, when the stock makes its move and it's simply standing or sustaining above $21. We understand that this is probably the time we should look at this particular stock. And as far as the levels or big levels are concerned of MANDIANT INC, you can see a big or good risk reward over a period of next couple of weeks and months. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.